Welcome back to the Mastering JavaScript series. In today's lesson, we're diving into the world of JavaScript operators and expressions, fundamental concepts that form the backbone of JavaScript programming. Hey there, future coding wizard. If you're enjoying this video so far and want to join the exclusive club of JavaScript aficionados, hit that subscribe button faster than you can say console. Log, I love coding. Trust me, it's way more fun than trying to debug a never-ending loop. Plus, subscribing is the only cure for a severe case of FOMO, fear of missing out on our future hilarious coding adventures. Don't be a nan, not a number. Be a part of the coding dream team. Now, let's dive back into the world of JavaScript sorcery. Let's start by discussing arithmetic operators. JavaScript supports standard arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as the Modulus operator for finding remainders. The increment operator plus increments numbers. The decrement operator decrements numbers. The exponentiation operator raises the first operand to the power of the second operand. I have increased the font size. I hope you can see output better now. Now let's dive into operator precedence. Operator precedence describes the order in which operations are performed in an arithmetic expression. Let's look at this example. Multiplication and division have higher precedence than addition and subtraction. The precedence can be changed by using parentheses. Next, let's talk about comparison operators. These operators are used to compare two values and return a Boolean result. We have operators like equal to equals equals, strictly equal to equals equals equals, not equal to equals, and so on. Here's how you can use comparison operators in JavaScript. Now, let's explore logical operators, which are used to combine multiple Boolean expressions. We have logical and illogical or logical not operators. Here's an example of using logical operators in JavaScript. As you can see, understanding operators and expressions is crucial for writing effective JavaScript code. By mastering these concepts, you'll be better equipped to tackle more complex programming challenges. That's all for this lesson on JavaScript operators and expressions. Be sure to practice what you've learned and stay tuned for more tutorials in our Mastering JavaScript series. Thanks for watching and happy coding!